Cambodia, a land of ancient temples and lush landscapes, beckons travelers with its captivating beauty. Imagine vibrant green rice paddies stretching as far as the eye can see. Picture majestic temples rising from dense jungle foliage. Cambodia's scenery is a captivating blend of the natural and the historical. This Southeast Asian gem offers a feast for the senses, promising unforgettable experiences. From the iconic temples of Angkor to the serene beaches of the south, Cambodia's landscapes are incredibly diverse. Each region boasts its own unique charm, waiting to be discovered. Whether you seek adventure, tranquility, or cultural immersion, Cambodia's scenic wonders will leave you breathless. Get ready to embark on a visual journey through this captivating country. Angkor Wat, the crown jewel of Cambodia, is a site that will forever be etched in your memory. This sprawling temple complex, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a testament to the grandeur of the Khmer Empire. Imagine intricate carvings adorning every surface, telling stories of ancient myths and legends. As you wander through its vast courtyards and corridors, you'll feel a sense of awe and wonder. The best time to experience Angkor Wat is at sunrise. Witness the sky explode in a riot of colors as the sun slowly rises behind the temple's iconic towers. The ethereal glow illuminates the intricate details, creating a truly magical atmosphere. Beyond Angkor Wat, the sprawling complex is home to numerous other impressive temples. Explore the Bayon temple with its enigmatic smiling faces carved into the stone. Get lost in the jungle-clad ruins of Thom, where nature has intertwined with the ancient structures. A visit to Angkor is a journey through time, a chance to connect with the rich history and spirituality of Cambodia. Allow yourself to be captivated by the sheer scale and artistry of this architectural marvel. Escape the bustling cities and discover the tranquil beauty of Tonlé Sap Lake, Southeast Asia's largest freshwater lake. This ecological marvel expands and contracts dramatically with the seasons, creating a unique ecosystem. Take a boat trip across the lake's shimmering surface, where floating villages dot the watery landscape. Observe the traditional way of life of the local communities who depend on the lake for their livelihoods. Visit a floating school, a floating market, or simply relax and soak in the serenity. Witness fishermen casting their nets at dawn, their silhouettes reflected in the still waters. The lake teems with fish, providing sustenance for the local communities and a spectacle for visitors. Birdwatchers will be in paradise, as Tonlé Sap is home to a diverse array of birdlife. Keep an eye out for rare species like the spot-billed pelican and the greater adjutant stork. Tonlé Sap Lake is a sanctuary of peace and tranquility, a world away from the hustle and bustle. A visit here is a chance to reconnect with nature and experience the rhythms of life on the water. The mighty Mekong River, the lifeblood of Southeast Asia, flows through the heart of Cambodia, shaping its landscapes and culture. Embark on a river cruise and witness the ever-changing scenery unfold before your eyes. Watch as fishermen cast their nets from traditional wooden boats, their skills passed down through generations. Observe the daily life of the communities that thrive along the riverbanks. Visit bustling river towns, where floating markets burst with colorful produce. Explore hidden temples and pagodas nestled along the river's edge, their golden spires reflecting in the water. The Mekong is a photographer's dream, offering endless opportunities to capture the beauty of rural Cambodia. Capture the vibrant hues of silk scarves drying in the sun. Frame the perfect shot of a monk in saffron robes walking along the riverbank. As you journey along the Mekong, you'll gain a deeper understanding of Cambodia's rich cultural heritage. The river is not just a mode of transport, it's a way of life, a source of sustenance, and a thread that connects communities. Section 5. The Cardamom Mountains, a world unknown. Venture off the beaten path and discover the untouched beauty of the Cardamom Mountains, a vast wilderness in southwestern Cambodia. This remote region is a haven for adventurers, nature lovers, and those seeking authentic experiences. Trek through dense rainforests home to a staggering array of flora and fauna. Cool off in cascading waterfalls, their crystal-clear waters tumbling down moss-covered rocks. Encounter rare and endangered wildlife like clouded leopards, sun bears, and gibbons. Stay in eco-lodges run by local communities, supporting responsible tourism and contributing to conservation efforts. The Cardamom Mountains offer a glimpse into a Cambodia untouched by mass tourism. Experience the thrill of trekking through untouched jungles, the air thick with the scent of damp earth and exotic blooms. Listen to the symphony of bird song and the rustling of leaves as you immerse yourself in nature's embrace. A journey to the Cardamom Mountains is not for the faint of heart, but the rewards are immeasurable. It's a chance to reconnect with nature, challenge yourself physically, and contribute to the preservation of this precious ecosystem. Section 6. The charm of Kampot and Kep. Escape to the coastal towns of Kampot and Kep, where laid-back charm meets stunning natural beauty. Kampot, a riverside town known for its pepper plantations, exudes a relaxed and welcoming atmosphere. Stroll along the riverfront where colonial-era buildings have been transformed into charming cafes and guest houses. Take a boat trip to Bokor National Park, a hill station with breathtaking views of the coastline and surrounding islands. Sample the local delicacy, Kampot pepper, famous for its unique flavor and aroma. Just a short drive away lies Kep, once a glamorous seaside resort favored by French colonists. Today, Kep is a tranquil escape, known for its fresh seafood and stunning sunsets. Visit the crab market and indulge in a feast of freshly caught crabs, a local specialty. Relax on the white sand beaches, swim in the crystal-clear waters, or simply soak in the peaceful ambiance. Kampot and Kep offer a taste of coastal paradise where you can unwind, indulge in delicious food, and explore at your own pace. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, these charming towns have something to offer every traveler. Section 7. The Allure of Mondulkiri. Discover the untouched beauty of Mondulkiri, Cambodia's easternmost province, a land of rolling hills, waterfalls, and verdant forests. Home to some of the country's most stunning natural landscapes, Mondulkiri offers a refreshing escape from the beaten path. Visit the magnificent Bu Sare waterfall, plunging from a height of 15 meters into a turquoise pool below. Trek through the jungle to hidden waterfalls, their beauty amplified by the surrounding rainforest. Encounter rare and endangered wildlife like elephants, gibbons, and clouded leopards in their natural habitat. Support ethical elephant sanctuaries that provide a safe haven for rescued elephants. Learn about the plight of these gentle giants and contribute to their conservation. Mondulkiri offers a unique opportunity to connect with nature and experience the tranquility of rural Cambodia. Embrace the slower pace of life, breathe in the fresh mountain air, and immerse yourself in the beauty of this untouched paradise. A trip to Mondulkiri is a journey for the soul, a chance to reconnect with nature and experience the true essence of Cambodia's natural wonders. Escape to the pristine islands off the coast of Cambodia, where turquoise waters lap against white sand beaches and palm trees sway in the breeze. These tropical gems offer a secluded paradise, perfect for relaxation, snorkeling, and exploring marine life. Koh Rong Samloem, known for its pristine beaches and laid-back vibe, is a true island paradise. Relax on Lazy Beach, swim in the crystal-clear waters, or kayak through mangrove forests. Koh Rong, the larger and more developed of the two islands, offers a wider range of activities and accommodation options. Explore hidden coves, go snorkeling or diving among colorful coral reefs, or party the night away on the beach. For a more secluded experience, head to the smaller islands like Koh Ta Kiev or Koh Totang. These islands offer a chance to escape the crowds and enjoy the tranquility of island life. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, Cambodia's islands offer a slice of paradise. Dive into the turquoise waters, soak up the sun on pristine beaches, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Beyond its stunning scenery, Cambodia's true beauty lies in the warmth and resilience of its people. Engage with locals, listen to their stories, and experience the genuine hospitality that Cambodia is known for. Visit local markets and observe the vibrant energy as vendors sell their wares. Sample traditional Cambodian cuisine, a fusion of sweet, sour, and spicy flavors. Learn a few Khmer phrases, the local language, and see the smiles on people's faces as you attempt to communicate. Attend a traditional Apsara dance performance, a mesmerizing display of grace and elegance. Respect local customs and traditions, dress modestly when visiting temples, and ask permission before taking photos of people. The Cambodian people have faced many challenges, yet their spirit remains unbroken. Their warmth and resilience will leave a lasting impression on your heart. By connecting with locals, you'll gain a deeper understanding of Cambodian culture and create meaningful memories that will stay with you long after you've left. As you explore Cambodia's breathtaking landscapes, remember the importance of responsible tourism and its role in preserving this paradise for future generations. Support local businesses, choose eco-friendly accommodation options, and minimize your environmental impact. Respect wildlife and their habitats. Observe animals from a distance, and never engage in activities that exploit animals. Be mindful of your water usage, avoid single-use plastics, and dispose of your trash responsibly. Learn about local conservation efforts, and consider supporting organizations working to protect Cambodia's natural and cultural heritage. By traveling responsibly, you can help ensure that Cambodia's beauty remains intact for generations to come. Small actions can make a big difference, and every effort counts towards preserving this precious corner of the world. Cambodia's stunning scenery is a testament to the power of nature and the enduring spirit of its people. From the iconic temples of Angkor to the tranquil beaches of the south, this Southeast Asian gem offers a sensory feast for every traveler. As you've journeyed through this essay, we hope you've been inspired to discover the beauty of Cambodia's landscapes. Perhaps you've envisioned yourself wandering through the ancient ruins of Angkor Wat or cruising along the mighty Mekong River. Maybe you've dreamt of escaping to the pristine beaches of its islands or trekking through the untouched jungles of the Cardamom Mountains. Whatever your travel dreams may be, we encourage you to seek out your own scenic escapes. The world is full of breathtaking landscapes waiting to be discovered. So, start planning your next adventure and let the beauty of our planet inspire you. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and the world is waiting to be explored.